Hey y'all, what's up? It's Mackenzie. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and you like this video, definitely don't forget to like and subscribe. I am releasing a video every Wednesday, and so definitely make sure you don't miss out. I have a lot of upcoming fun videos that I'm gonna do, but I know why you're here and we are gonna get down to it, and it is the couch. So I think I have found like the most perfect restoration hardware dupe couch. It is literally less than half of what it is, and it is amazing. I'm going to share all the details about this couch, everything you want to know, so let's get into it.
It's a little big for the apartment. Damn, that's comfy.
Don't put your shoes
Yeah, dude! Oh my god! So, my idea, take this end piece and that end piece, put them together. Take this, put it where you're sitting at, in the ottoman. That's where I just said. Yeah, see, we both did the same. This looks great. This is great.
I feel like it's a little crowded.
Yeah. It looks good. It's cozy. Let's get all the wrapping paper out.
Yeah, and then y'all are trying to switch reverse roles of being their captain, and it's not working. We are stronger than that, and we can tell when y'all are doing that.
What are we doing?
Trying to be each other's hype man, and it's not gonna work. Good work, guys. We have probably changed the position like 15 times, but I really like it all the way out. Grant and Garrett had it like with the two end pieces together and the middle piece over here with the ottoman in the middle, which I think could be great when we have like people staying in that guest bedroom, because it does kind of like get in front of the door. But I like it like completely like this. I just love that shape, and she is so pretty. So let's first start out by the process of finding this couch. I found this online. It's at a furniture store, but there's not one local here in Nashville. But I actually follow Jessica Howe. She actually got a couch from this store that I got it from. It's not the exact same couch, but I am literally obsessed with this couch. I do not think I will ever get off of it. We've had it for a day, and I literally have been on it the whole time. So let's start off by the dimensions of this couch. It is going to be, the width is 132 times the depth 44 times the height 33.5. So the couch is actually about 11 feet long, and it is so big that, as you can see, it's actually covering our door. I knew this was gonna happen. The best thing about this couch, what I love, is that it's actually modular. Like, all of these are pieces. So we have actually yesterday when we first got the couch, we separated it and put the two ends together right here, and then took the middle piece and put it right there, and then the ottoman in the middle. So I think it's really great because you can really kind of make it however you want to. And I'm so sorry, I think you can probably hear the washer machine in the back. Grant started the laundry, so here we are. But I wanted to get this video up today because I had so many questions about it. So just kind of wanted to get this out and have that answered for y'all. But that's what I was trying to say, is that I love this couch because you can separate it and you can really kind of like make it however you want to. So I love it being like this long, which I'll show you. So it's like all the way down, and then our ottoman is to the left side of the couch. I love it this way. So when like we don't have guests staying in that bedroom, I like it like this. It doesn't bother me. I can actually get in and out of there, even though it looks like it's like completely covered. I can actually get in and out of there. It's not our master bedroom. Our master bedroom's over there. So really and truly, that's just my office and the guest bedroom. So not necessarily do I care that it is covering that door, no, but like when we have guests stay for the weekend, I'm sure we'll just separate the couch and so that they can get in and out of that room. But really and truly, it doesn't bother me. But just to let y'all know, it is 11 feet long, so it is very, very big. And it didn't really deter me from this couch because it is so dreamy, you guys. The comfort of this couch like cannot be beat. I cannot believe how comfy it is. They are like all so plush. Now the one thing about this couch, it's a very lived-in couch. So when you sit down on it and you get up, it's not gonna be like perfectly like clean. So I've been pluffing them a lot and just like kind of like doing like this. It works for me. I don't really care because it is so comfy. And I really like that lived-in couch look. So it does not bother me at all. The next great thing about it, and I'm gonna show you, is all the pillows can come off. You can wash everything, you guys. Like this can come undone. You can literally take these off, unzip this, and literally wash the center. So yes, I got a white couch, but I can wash all of it, which is the best freaking part about this couch, is that it's all washable. And so if I get a stain, when it gets dirty, I'm gonna be washing this all the time. As I self-tan myself, I am like Miss Spill Lady, which is like I'm not like allowing myself to drink anything or eat anything on the couch. And my self-tanner, I'm like literally gonna be wearing long sleeves and long pants and socks. But I'm just saying it's down to get dirty eventually, and so I'm so glad that I can actually wash this couch, put it in the dryer, and I will put it in the washing machine in the dryer whenever it needs to be clean. So that is like something that I love. Right. So now the company is Modani Furniture. That is the website where we got this from. We ordered this back in September and we were supposed to get the couch in November. It was like on back order at the time, so we knew this was gonna take about like a month, 2 months to get it in. I was kind of like, oh, this kind of sucks, but thankfully we had a couch in the interim of waiting for this couch. Comes to November, they were like, look, we're really sorry, but it's actually gonna be mid-December. At that point, I was kind of like frustrated, but with COVID and restrictions and all of those kinds of things, I was like, oh, you know what, like, I guess I understand. It just really sucks. We had like company coming in. I really wanted to be able to have the couch, but it just didn't work out. So we were like, okay. But then it came to December and it like got shipped out from LA. It was one of their shipping carriers or something. So it shipped out of LA. Supposed to be here in 2 weeks. 2 weeks passed. We called. Like, and I'm not kidding you guys, we spoke to probably like 7 different people. They were like, oh, it's coming, it's just a little late. Oh, now it's in Tennessee, but it went to the wrong shipping. Like, it wasn't in Nashville, it was like somewhere like in Knoxville or something. It went to the wrong shipping in Tennessee. Went around the ringer, and finally someone was just like, we finally spoke to this man at Modani, because I think that was the issue, is that we've been talking to the shipping company and not Modani. Modani was like, look, I don't know why they keep telling you this. We don't know where your couch is. It's no longer on back order, so we're gonna reorder it for you and it will be there in 2 weeks. Okay, at this point I was like livid, because like we had been going around for now basically almost 2 months since November of like, oh, this and that. And now it was just like, look, it's been lost. Like, we're gonna just have to reship you one. Just like kind of upset with the company, especially with like, you know, like we bought this couch in September. So like we've already paid for it. We're just sitting here waiting on something that like we just feel like we're not actually being told of what's going on. But they reordered it and they did get it here, you guys, in less than 2 weeks. Couch is so freaking worth it, because like I could not be happier with it. So like I will deal with the customer service. I say it's totally worth dealing with this customer service because it is so amazing. It is so comfy. I absolutely adore it, and I think that it is overall a 10 out of 10. The next part is the couch. It is called Bloom 3-seater modular sofa, and it's in the white color. And then we added the ottoman. So the ottoman is separate than the couch. We actually just added it on. And so that is the name of the couch that we got it. I've actually linked it below for y'all, the direct link to the couch, plus where you can just like add the ottoman on. I am not getting any money for this. It's not sponsored, but I just wanted to help y'all out. It's direct, so the direct link is down below in the description if you're interested in it. It is under $3,000, which I think is a freaking steal for this couch. This is just like a really great deal to me. And also we will have this couch forever. Like this could go in the playroom when we get like a more formal couch, because it is definitely a lived-in couch, which we love it for right now. But this will be such a great playroom couch, and I feel like we could have this couch for many years to come, especially with it being able to be washed. And so we are so freaking happy with it. That's it for now. I can't wait to start. I'm looking for art now because I've been waiting for this couch to come in to like really know what vibe I wanted to go with. So now I'm looking for art. I want to get like a plant, like some greenery in here. We've been thinking about getting a little small table to go right here, but honestly it's like so small in here. I just don't know what we're gonna do yet. So many exciting things to come in the apartment. I will definitely be vlogging it all, so please don't forget to subscribe. If you're new here, put on that notification bell so you get a notification every single time a new video comes out, and I will see y'all all in my next video. Bye guys.